Good morning and welcome to Kotak's Trade Talk podcast. Today, if we go through with global cues, then Asian markets are doing well. They are up more than 1.5% to 2%. Most of these indices are trading higher mainly because of specific data which has come in the US related to the jobless claims, and they were like down. So if the jobless claims are turning lower, that means economy is not in that bad shape as it was uh, expected after the specific data on the job opening. So while looking at the data as well as the performance of US markets, we are of the view that we are going to see higher opening for our markets. GIFT Nifty is also indicating nearly 200 to 50 points higher opening for our markets, as well as in the coming week the data related to inflation will also decide a lot. So broadly we are of the view that today we are going to see higher opening, and in case if we see the market is crossing the level of 24,400, below which the market has spent nearly 3 days, then in that case the market can move towards 24,500 or 650 levels. Our strategy should be to look for adding long position if it crosses 24,400, because then it's a technical breakout. In that case we have to keep a stop loss at 24,050, and also in that case we could see some activity in major indices like Bank Nifty or Nifty IT index. For the Bank Nifty, it was relatively better, and it was holding above the levels of 50,000 throughout the day. While looking at the technical pattern of it, I am of the view that Bank Nifty is also moving towards the levels of at least 50,750, where it has biggest hurdle, and above that the chances of hitting 51,150, 51,500 would turn bright, because there the Bank Nifty is having resistance of 50 days and 20 days simple moving average. So above 50,750 we are expecting technical breakout for the Bank Nifty, as well as about 24,400 the chances of hitting 24,650 would turn bright. Nifty Metal Index was like under pressure. Nifty Auto Index was also showing some signs of profit taking, but today after this specific news flow and developments in the US market, I am of the view that we could see some short covering in auto companies as well as in oil and gas stocks. The overall momentum is still intact for most of the indices, but in that oil and gas stocks should do well. We like Castrol, we like ONGC, as well as our focus is also on GAIL, Gas Authority. So broadly we are of the view that we should look for taking some breakout trades in today's date. That's all from my side. With this I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.